Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a cocktail smoker set. So we're gonna check this thing out. It comes in a nice big box. We got a thank you note. We have, oh, these are fun. This is one of those ice balls. I'm gonna put this down and I'll take out each thing and show you as we go. So we have the ice ball maker. Oh man. Everything's packed in there, super tight. Okay, so here we go. So, oh, very cool. Look at that. That's a cool looking glass. So it can be a glass, but it is an ice ball maker. So you see it makes round balls. So the way it works is, and that's the way these ones are, it'll make nice clear ones. So you fill it up with the water in there, and then you put this in there, and then you put it in the freezer. You put the water until it starts popping up out of there. You put it in the freezer, and then when you take it out, let it defrost for a second to get it out, and then you can open it up and have a nice ice ball. Very cool. That's cool. You got two of these. Let me take this out of here as well. Oops. Oh, it was on the tape. So there, you got two of those. We have two lovely whiskey glasses here. So that's very good. I didn't have any whiskey glasses here at the house. Now I do. Okay. We've got two whiskey glasses. We have the little smoker device here. It looks like on. It looks like it's gonna need the butane probably in there to make it go. We have a little spoon and a cleaner to clean out the chamber. And then here is the smoking, the lid for the cover. Here's another lid to put over the whole thing, and the little smoking tray here. So that will go inside of there like that, and then you'll put your wood chips in there and make it go. Okay, so let's move all this out here. Already opened that. Let's see, we have a few extras of these little metal things there, so that's kind of cool. So we have extras of those. We have, okay, then we also have the wood chips. We have oak, we have apple, peach, cherry, pear, and walnut. Let me go see if I have some butane so I can try to get this thing going. I'll be right back. Okay, if you've used butane before or not, you just get these things here. This one here is just a refill, and you put it upside down, put it on top of the little hole in the bottom, and push. And that's how you refill a lighter or anything. And just do it for a few seconds, and then it's full up. I can feel it's cold already. Okay, so the way we will do this is we'll take some pear, and we'll take a little spoonful of pear. I'm just gonna use a very little bit here, just because I'm just showing you guys it. What did I do with the lid? Here it is. You definitely don't want to sneeze when you have that open. Okay, okay. So here we go. So now I have my glass, I have my smoker pieces in there, and I have my butane torch. So the way it will work is you have your on and lock, so you can lock it, I guess. Mine should be in the on position. Let's see. Ah, there we go. So I got a torch now. Okay. So the way it will work is you'll go like that. Oops. And you see, oh, that's why you put the lid on it. So you put the lid on, and the smoke ends up inside the whiskey glass. How cool is that? So now you can make your own little drinks with that. Do I have some? Okay. And so there we go. So now I have a nicely smoked whiskey. Me, I have a nicely smoked empty glass. I don't have any whiskey at the moment, but for the holidays and stuff, we're gonna have some parties and do that. And then when a person gets their drink, you can have it like that. Look at that. It just kind of smokes out of there. My smoke alarm's probably gonna go off. But you get the idea. Really cool. Smells like burning pear, I guess. So neat little setup here, and super easy to do. You saw I got it going in a couple of minutes. So really cool. And everything you get with it, you get the two glasses. We could have an ice ball in there and everything as well. So nice setup. Thumbs up for sure.